then naami chicken. Here bisaya nga manok. Hello guys, magluto ni og kuan kaning say pa na ni. Di ka tawag nila na? Manawag ko. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is Zia's recognition day and I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go everyone. So today is Zia's recognition day. So today is Friday, April 11. Congratulations. Are you happy? You're so pretty. Oh, kita yung lagi yuguro. Imuhang wow, so pretty. Your dress. Hello kuya. Hello kuya. Congrats. Paduin nga batin na. Nay, nakapangita jud si nanay kay gihungry si madam. Get na. You say, what do you say? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you eat now. Kuya. Kuya Dandan. Si Kuya pod.
Recognition Day here at Bugo Integrated School. Today, we celebrate the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of our learners who have shown excellence in academics and character. I am Miss Jean P. Raboy, and I am Miss April B. Tabat, your Master of Ceremonies.
The school year at Bugo Integrated School is about to commence, and I would like to take the opportunity to welcome you all. The environment you will need to make sense of the world when sense and reason go missing. You will need to help solve problems through the innovation and invention. And you will need to help turn indifference into motivated, helpful action. This is our goal at Bugo Integrated School.
Congratulations, my love. Zia, here's your gun. Go home. King home ba for Zia's recognition night. And then naami chicken. Here bisaya nga manok. Hello guys, magluto ni og kuan kaning say pa na ni. Isa pa. Kanang pakulay dara oh. Dara. See that? Naami mga lamas daghan kaayo. O kani kay manok.
Manok ya?
Ang ulo sa kanding na dito.
Asa ka na? Muna kanding.
Oh, bye-bye. Asa man ka? Di ka tawag nila na? Manawag ko.
Ang kuan ko na day memong landline number.
Hello everyone. So we're gonna end our vlog. So this is Zia's you pass boy. Uy, nakita ka sa video. Congratulations, my love. And then come here, you come here. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to
subscribe,
like, and share. Bye.
And I am the visitor too.